Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
So one more example on constant accelerated motion. So it is observed that the vehicle is moving with 10 meters per second at some instant t0, which is having a constant acceleration. So the vehicle is moving with constant acceleration at some instant t0. It is observed that having the velocity 10 meters per second. Now after 3 seconds later, its velocity is observed as 16 meters per second. And the condition, please observe, acceleration is constant. So 3 seconds later, with the instance of t0, its velocity observed is 16 meters per second. They are asking what is a 2 second before its velocity is how much. This is the question. Hope it's clear to you, right? Now, what do we do? The condition is acceleration is constant, right? And we know clearly acceleration formula v minus u by t. This is the definition itself. Now for the first part, we are going to write what is the final velocity 10 minus what is initial velocity u upon what is the time duration 2. This must be equivalent to for the second part. What is that second part? Final velocity 16 minus initial velocity 10 upon what is the time 3. Hope it's clear. This is u. Now what happened here? Cross multiplication 3 into 10 30 minus 3u is equivalent to 32 minus 20. Hope clear, right? So 30 minus 3u is equivalent to 32 minus 20 is nothing but 12. And you bring this 12 this side. So 30 minus 12 is equivalent to 3u. Hope it's clear. So how much is that? 18 is equivalent to 3u and u is equivalent to 6 meters per second. U is equivalent to 6 meters per second. Yeah.